Hello my beautiful ladies, it's Greta here, ladies relationship coach, and today my beauties, the topic for you is how does being yourself make him fall in love? Okay, so the reason I wanted to make this video on this topic is because one of my clients, who I have been coaching for 1 year, has sent me a message and she said, oh my god, Greta, I feel like now I can literally be genuine with men and I can be myself and they appreciate me for me and it makes me feel so good, whereas before I wasn't. Now let me tell you what she meant by that. So today I'm gonna give you 5 tips doormat vs high value woman, and how being a doormat you're actually not being yourself and you are playing games, and how being high value you are just embracing your best self in a relationship and he loves you more for it. So the first way, if you're being doormatty, he's losing interest in you and you cannot really be yourself because you're gonna turn him off. And the first way on how you would turn him off by being doormatty, it's for example pleasing the guy, going out of your way to please him. Why are you trying to please the guy? You're trying to please the guy so he would like you more, so he would think what a wonderful person you are. That's manipulating, hon. And by continuously pleasing him, you're losing yourself, because now your goal is not you, but your goal is to please him. Men are very logical. We figure the stuff out very quick, and instead of looking at you high value and how nice she is, he starts looking at you, oh, she's pretty desperate. All she's doing is continuously trying to please me rather than concentrating on her own life, her own goals and ambitions, and making herself happy. Now, what would a high value woman do? Now, as I just hinted to you, a high value woman would put herself first, would put her goals, dreams, and ambitions first, would make herself happy first. When you are happy yourself, guess what? You're like a people magnet. He wants to be around you because not just that you're making yourself happy, you're making other people happy too by being happy yourself. Everybody wants to be around happy and positive people, right? Also, when you have goals, dreams, and ambitions, guess what? Now you can openly share with him your goals, dreams, and ambitions. You can share your passion with him. If you look around, people who have passion in life, they are very attractive people. Everybody wants to spend time with them. Now, guess what is happening? You are putting yourself first. You're putting your goals, dreams, and ambitions first. You are being yourself. You're being honest and open about your goals, dreams, and ambitions. And guess what? He is liking you more for that rather than you going out of your way, pleasing the guy, ditching your friends, ditching your hobbies, and just doing everything to keep him around. That's not interesting. That's boring. This girl doesn't have a character. Whereas this one is happy, passionate, she has lots of things that she wants to do with her life. She automatically becomes super attractive just by embracing her true self. Now, the second tip of Doormaty vs high value: when you're being doormatty, you're so scared to lose the guy that you're scared to set the healthy boundaries in. Because you're like, oh my god, if I'll try and set the boundary in, he's not gonna like me anymore. So I have to be nice and I have to continuously please him, right? This is how you fail, girls. This is how the guy starts losing interest in you and he starts walking all over you, taking you totally for granted. Even if you're a mom and you have a child, if you're not setting boundaries with your children, doesn't matter how much your child loves you, he or she will be walking all over you. Ladies, in life is a must to set healthy boundaries with friends, family and your loved one. When you are setting the healthy boundaries in, you're gonna have the knowledge of his behavior, so he won't be able to manipulate you, walk all over you, push your buttons. There will be no need for you to go crazy because you'll just be reading him like an open book. And the most basic example of a boundary setting is ignore the bad behavior, reward the good. Works with dogs, children, and men too. Seriously, jokes aside, yes, it does work. However, please watch my video how to get a man to respect you, where I'm breaking it down for you ladies, how to set the healthy boundaries in a relationship. The third tip of Doormaty vs high value: a Doormaty girl, she will be needy, clingy, controlling, possessive, insecure, jealous, and so on, right? She's gonna be her worst self. Now ladies, let me give you a tip how not to be all this crazy version of yourself. Knowledge is power. When you will learn about the psychology and why he is behaving the way he is behaving, there will be no need for you to go crazy. You're just gonna be watching his behavior and chilling with no reaction, okay? And if you want to chill with no reaction and actually turn it all around when he's trying to push your buttons, when he's trying to make you go crazy, please read my ebook, which is called Ways Men Test Women. Pass his test and have him twist it around your little finger to adore, respect, cherish, and love you forever. And in that ebook, I'm literally breaking it down for you not to be like that, how to control your emotions, and how to pass his tests. You can find that ebook just by following the link right here. The fourth way on Doormaty vs high value: Doormaty girls, we seek attention a lot. Alright, so we seeking attention from the guys because we want the guy to make them happy. So we text the guys, we chase the guys, we pursue the guys. And what happens when the guy doesn't want to reply? We go crazy on him. Ladies, when you give with expectation, that's not giving, that's manipulation. Alright? So if you're sending him a text message with the goal that now you want some attention back, it's his choice to give you attention back or not. Maybe he doesn't feel like it. If you're sending him a text message, it's his choice to reply to that message or not. So if you're sending him a text message asking for attention and then you're not getting attention back, and then you're accusing him of not giving you attention, girl, you're acting ridiculous. Go and get that attention yourself, from yourself, by concentrating on your goals, dreams, and ambitions, by loving yourself, by making yourself happy. A high value woman does not seek attention from man. She gives that attention to herself by loving herself. When you're happy, people like to be around you too because you're spreading the positive vibes. Now, guess what? He will be seeking attention from you because he will want to spend more time with you too. Fifth thing of what Doormaty girls do and what high value women don't do is the Doormaty girls, we wear their heart on a sleeve. We come to the guy, we talk about their feelings, emotions. Ladies, I understand that it's a woman's need to talk about her feelings and emotions and share, but you can do that in the circle of other women who will understand that. It's not, you are not fulfilling a man's love need when you're coming to him, telling him how much you love him and how crazy you are about him. A happy relationship is also understanding each other's differences and understanding each other's love needs and learning how to fulfill each other's love needs. Same as, let's say, he is fulfilling your love need by giving you compliments, by putting that coat on you when you're cold, by taking you for dinner, by paying for your meal, by giving and looking after you and, charming you. Same way, you need to fulfill his love needs too by letting him pursue you first, by appreciating what he is giving you, by being feminine with him, by being the receiver actually. actually, because the guy is the pursuer, so he is the giver. So you being the receiver and appreciating him for it. Understanding the differences between men and women is actually very difficult nowadays, because we live in the society where it's very cool not to have any rules. Ladies, when you don't have rules in life, it does not create the freedom, it creates a mess. This is why the dating nowadays is just a big mess. No rules actually equals indulgence. Too much of indulgence equals self-harm, right? So what is self-harm of too much of indulgence? Alcohol, drugs, maybe eating, too many chocolate cake. Whereas self-love equals discipline. Discipline equals rules. Rules equals a happy life. So going back to my client, this is why my client said after 1 year of coaching, she said, Greta, this is the first time in my life and I can be myself, be secure, happy, confident with myself, and also at the same time be genuine with men. As in the past, even though I'm very beautiful and I always had a lot of man attention, I was acting Doormaty, I was acting insecure, I was chasing men, I was acting crazy, needy, clingy, controlling, possessive. Therefore, all the men would start running away from me in a couple of months because we just saw me as desperate. So ladies, if you liked this video, please press like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Join my High Value Women group on Facebook, where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is private, it's ladies only. I do Instagram lives where a bit randomly, where I answer your questions during my lives. And if you would like me to hold your hand and help you to bring out the best in your man, you can always book me as a coach through my website, which is called ladiesrelationshipcoach.com. And by the way, there is so many building works happening outside my house. It's a bit irritating me, but yeah, sorry about the background noise. Anyway, love you loads. Kisses from London. Mwah.